Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar yen, I still think this looks like 5 waves up, and even the fifth wave kind of looks like at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but I still don't really see any evidence that it's over. It's actually going beyond the 78%, which may actually be telling us that the 100% Fibonacci extension is going to be the more likely area, right around the 164, 165, for this to potentially make a bigger move to the downside. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, like I was saying on the weekly, we does not look like it's respecting the fib level. Probably a pretty good chance this is going to make its way up at least to the 100% Fibonacci extension. Definitely looks like a wave 5, and then it looks like a wave 5 extension because we have a nice 1, 2, 3, and then we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 5. So it kind of looks like it's forming a wave 5 extension. Going down to the daily time frame, we definitely do have a couple areas to keep an eye out for. The next area for me is the 162.2. Definitely could be an area of resistance. And I think it's more likely this is a 1, a 2, and a 3, but we do have to keep in mind that it could be like either a running flat or an expanding flat, A, B, C of wave B, and if it is, then it possibly could turn at the 162, 123% Fibonacci extension. I am definitely still very bullish whether it's a 1, 2, 3 or an A, B, C as of right now. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, definitely no reason on the higher time frames to think this uptrend is over. I would 100% be looking for longs at the end of every pullback I see, still for the continuation of the uptrend. Taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. Definitely still looking for longs. I do see that this looks like a downtrend, so it does make me think that it is an A. This move up does seem a little bit on the corrective side, makes me think that it could be a wave B. It definitely possibly could go down for a wave C. I personally have no desire to even sort this thing because the odds that it's going to go down for a wave C are really not even that high in my eyes. It possibly could just push down a little bit and just keep on making higher highs, higher lows. Like I've been saying for weeks and months and pretty much years, pretty much the only strategy for me on every single yen pair, including the dollar yen, is to look for longs at the end of every single pullback we see for the continuation of the uptrend, at least until the daily, weekly time frame tell us otherwise, and they definitely have not told us otherwise yet. So definitely going to continue to look for longs at the end of every pullback, whether it makes a proper ABC like this, or whether it just makes a little ABC. I definitely will be looking for longs every chance I get. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And do not forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and access to my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.